Body Love, a guided visual meditation by your life coach, Roy Grant. Imagine now that you are floating naked on the surface of a pond of pure, clean, fragrant oil from olives and almonds. Your body is weightless, and you can completely let go into the buoyant support of the pond of oil. This space is completely private. You are entirely alone, and you are completely safe. Here is a space of unconditional love where you can completely let go and be authentically you. And as you give yourself permission to just be, the sky opens up and millions of flowers gently cascade down from the heavens onto your body, softly hitting your skin and releasing their fragrance, collecting on the surface of the pond around you. All of your favorite flowers rain down in a rainbow of all your favorite colors, all because you have given yourself permission to be as you are. As the flowers continue to rain down and you enjoy them through the sight of their beautiful cascade, the sensation of them gently striking your skin, the scent they release, and the sound of their gentle, whispering petals as they fall. You realize you are alive. You find amazement in the truth that you are alive. And you find supreme gratitude in the truth that you are alive. Your mind speaks, "I want to live." And so your body speaks, "I want to live." For what the mind speaks, so does the body. That is the dedication of your body. How much your body loves you. Surrendering to your thoughts so that you may be everything that you believe. The universe also responds, speaking that it wants you to live and to celebrate the privilege of what it means to have a body, what it means to be alive. The energy of the universe circulates in the pond of oil now, massaging your body with its current, massaging your back, your neck, shoulders, arms, elbows, palms, legs, knees, calves and feet, massaging your scalp, temples and ears, and gently running through your hair. Receive the love of the universe. Open yourself to gratitude for the miracle of your existence, the miracle of your body, the miracle of the privilege of experiencing life through your tender, precious consciousness, brain, flesh, heart, and soul. You are wanted by the universe, wanted and intended exactly as you are. There is no mistake, no angle in which to view you that is not utterly beautiful, no inch that is not holy ground. The fragrance of the flowers infuses into the oil, and so infuses into your body and soul. Take in the sweetness, the rapture, and the sensuality. Your body is beautiful, sexy, radiant, glorious, and the epitome of sensuality. You deserve to own your sensuality. You deserve to feel good through your body as was intended by design. You deserve to determine who is allowed to be with your body, who is allowed to be around you. You deserve to own your body. No one owns you but you, and you own a preciousness that no one can alter, no one can touch, a diamond of sacredness that is eternal and unchanging, carried by your soul, and your soul is carried by your body. Your body is a prism, beaming with your blinding, sacred light. Honor your body. Honor your body now. Honor your light. Honor that no one can touch you. No one can change you. No one can deny your beauty. No one. For you are made by the mind of the universe, and the universe can only create the most exceptionally beautiful things. The oil coats your body in its lusciousness, and you remember that you deserve to live, you deserve to love, and you deserve to be loved. It's all so simple. And as you remember the simplicity of the truth of your sacredness, you become even more attractive, even more comfortable in your skin, even more ripe for the picking, because you embody love. The stars gaze upon you from the heavens with their light, their approval, and their love, sparkling on your oil-coated skin. They praise you in your vulnerability, in your perfection, bringing a smile to your face. The universe sees you, believes in you, and supports your beauty inside and out. And from this day forward, you honor its creation. You honor the mirror. You honor your body's strength, its ability to survive, its ability to carry you where you want to go. Carry your breath, carry your blood, carry your laughter, and carry your light. You are alive. You exist. You are precious. And you are beyond beautiful. Affirmations for body love. I love every inch, angle, and aspect of myself. I allow myself to just be, and the world's beauty opens up to me, and my beauty opens up to the world. I am a creation of the divine, and thus I am divine. I like my body. I like who I am. I like what I see in the mirror. Everybody loves being around me. I love being around me. I love being me. I am patient and kind with my body and mind. I own my body, and I deserve to feel the full spectrum of my sensuality in ways that honor the miracle of existence. There is a sacredness in me that no one can touch. Existence is a gift, and I now untie the bow.